Hey there, in today's video, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for email marketers, the email checker and bulk email list verifier. Whether you're sending newsletters, cold emails, or promotional offers, this is something you can't ignore. What is an email checker? An email checker is a tool that verifies whether an email address is real, valid, and safe to send to. It identifies fake, inactive, or mistyped email addresses, and even flags spam traps and temporary disposable emails. Why does that matter? Because sending to bad emails can get you blacklisted, damage your sender reputation, and crash your email deliverability. What is bulk email list verification? Bulk email list verification takes it a step further. Instead of checking one email at a time, you can upload thousands of emails and verify them in just a few minutes. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for cold outreach, email marketing, CRM cleanup, agency campaigns. Just upload, scan, and download your clean list. Simple. Benefits of using an email verifier. Here's what you gain by using an email verification tool: fewer bounces, higher inbox placement, better sender reputation, lower costs on email platforms, higher open and click-through rates. Think of it as your list hygiene tool, keeping your campaigns healthy and effective. How to use Pure Checker. Using a bulk email verifier like Pure Checker is super simple. Log into your dashboard, upload your email list, CISV or EXT. Click Verify. Get instant results: valid, invalid, role-based, disposable, catch-all. Download your verified list and start sending with confidence. You don't need any technical skills. Just drag, drop, and clean. Is it safe and legal? Yes. Your data is 100% secure. Trusted email verifiers like Pure Checker follow strict data privacy rules and are fully GDPR compliant. Your lists are encrypted and never stored longer than needed. Ready to take your email marketing to the next level? Start verifying your email list today at purechecker.com and keep your sender reputation strong. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart marketers verify before they send.